During CES 2026, MOVA is bringing in air support for some of their smart home technologies for the home. We're talking about new technologies for smart vacuums, as well as new technologies for smart lawnmower robots, and even in the pool, bringing in an arm to help us make our life a little bit easier. Of course, all of this is coming to 2026 from MOVA. This is TK, and this is MOVA in CES 2026. Let's check out all of the cool things they have to offer. I feel like I should start off with some of the exciting new announcement that they're showing here, or even demo that they're showing here. These are a couple of new concepts that MOVA is bringing in for 2026 at CES. On the left side, we have an accessory for some of their smart vacuum that we obviously have for the home that allows it to actually go upstairs, actual stairs, and it actually lets you clean the second story and your ground floors at the same time without having to purchase multiple smart vacuums. It's an amazing system and it works really good. Unfortunately, it does not clean the stairs as it's going up, but it's intended to help us go from one story to the other, and it's super flexible because it works with multiple systems that use either rollers or using mop heads, so it works very, very nice, as I'm showing you guys with that quick demo. Now, the next to it is something that I think a lot of us did not think would be ever needed. This is the Pilot 70. This is a concept right now going on, essentially a drone carrier for our smart vacuum to be able to go from one story to the other, allowing it to actually go larger areas much easier, faster, and more precisely land in areas that you'd like to be able to clean. This actually is also a concept that's going on right now. Hopefully this will become something that you're able to basically get for your home in case you ever want to be able to clean the downstairs and the upstairs while flying from one to the other. Of all of the vacuums in here, and one of the things you're seeing right now is the V50 Ultra Complete. This is actually something I personally have at home and I've covered before on my channel. It is one of my favorite smart vacuums to date because of two things. A, the ability for it to jump over obstacles. As you're seeing right there, it's actually going to start coming down and it can actually clear a pretty decent experience. But it's also the fact that it runs and it uses a dual cleaning solution for people that have pets. I have 3 cats at home, and this is one of the biggest things I've always had to challenge. I have not had it in the 3 months that I've used it. I haven't had the smell. You know, when you're using a smart vacuum, there's always that little bit of a lingering smell. This does not have it. Dual cleaning solution, great design, aesthetically pleasing, and very, very nice. I highly recommend the V50, and I can't wait for the upgrades that they have for the series in the future. Now, focusing on some of their flagship experiences, we have the Mobius 60. This is, by far, when you first look at it, you're going to see something very different that you haven't seen in a base station before. It actually has individual mop heads for specific cleaning solutions or scenarios in your home that allows it to actually go in. As soon as you bring the actual vacuum back into the base station, it automatically switches them out, puts them back on the actual vacuum, and it's able to go out and start cleaning your home. One of the upgraded experiences that we're looking here is also up to 30,000 pascals of suction power. That is way higher than some of the other options on the market. So as you can see here, we have the 3 different sets that are already built in here, and of course it actually connects directly into the base station. It actually closes on the inside. You're able to get them cleaned. It have all the information that you want to be able to pick up here are available directly on their website. I'll make sure to give you guys a link for the new Mobius 60. It's essentially the upgraded version that we've always wanted, up to 212 Fahrenheit cleaning, hot water cleaning of course, and up to 8 centimeters obstacle crossing, which is higher than the other options that they offer that go only up to 6 centimeters. Now I want to talk to you guys about one of the really nice offerings that they're bringing in here, a different approach into how they clean the home, and also how do you clean the actual vacuum that you're using. This is the V70 Ultra Complete. The system is, as you can see, has a very unique experience here where we normally have the collection bag that we normally have to empty out and throw away and replace and buy more. They're actually using more of a green approach to it where they're using an actual collection container that you're able to just empty, throw it out, and then the only thing you have to worry about is maybe replacing the air filter. But you obviously are getting a different experience here. It's cleaner, the design's very nice. It's built on a design that we've come to love from their V series. This is the V70 Ultra, featuring up to 40,000 pascals of suction power, even higher than the Mobius 60, which means this is not only going to be able to handle things, it's also going to be able to handle really kind of like small particles, and everything is going to get stayed clean, either be it carpet or even when you're using it on hardwood floors. So we talked about the fact that MOVA wants to bring in more roller options. So this actually is a suite of upgraded versions of it. We're looking here on the left side. This is the S70 Ultra roller, and then here we have a couple of options, or a couple of model of the Z70 Ultra roller complete. You'll notice that the design is very, I guess I would say more appealing because it looks more, I guess like it fits like a piece of art in your home. The base stations are very nice. The vacuums obviously are all featuring rollers in here, and of course all of them are going to be featuring up to, well, the ones on the Z70 up to 35,000 pascals of suction power, and then of course when we move over on the Z70 roller, and this one's featuring up to 32,000 pascals of suction power with high temperature water cleaning. All of the experiences that we've come to appreciate from MOVA coming in into the roller series for 2026. One of the other things that I noticed also that MOVA is trying to do this year is that they're also trying to bring in some more roller options. This is the Z60 Ultra Roller Complete. This provides us the same experience that we come to appreciate from all of their smart vacuums, except that it no longer uses the mop heads, which is similar to what we saw with the Mobius, but now we're using an actual roller on the back that allows it to keep the area clean, and of course it extends outwards. We have extending arms, of course the technologies that we have in here, great long battery life, and this one's actually featuring up to 28,000 suction power pascals in here, which is definitely very nice. Again, the Z series is definitely showcasing a lot of great bang for the buck type of an experience, and I really love what they're doing here. Again, new technologies, we're going with the rollers, and of course it provides us even higher technologies here with the P70 Ultra. This still uses the spinning heads up to 30,000 pascals of suction power. Again, very nice and very similar. We saw here that it looks similar to the V70 Ultra that we looked at, the complete one. This has a familiar look from MOVA, which makes it very nice. This is the Extend concept with robotic arm that allows it to actually pick up a certain, like to say if you forget toys or certain debris that are harder to pick up with the pool skimmer on the surface of the pool. This features quad motors in there, as well as LiDAR technology with AI cameras that allows it to actually not only be able to clean the sides, the walls, the corners, the stairs, as well as skimming the top part of the pool, every single edge of it, and gets to the point, well, basically gets everything cleaned up the way it's supposed to be. Now, this concept includes a very interesting approach, as you're seeing in the demo that I'm sharing with you guys right now. It's actually able to pick up a can of soda, put it onto your actually kind of like a floating server that can bring you your drink whenever you're laying on the pool and don't want to get out to go pick up your can of soda or your favorite drink. This can bring it for you. So your personal butler is available here from MOVA in this concept. Again, they're looking for it to be more of a, obviously, for cleanup sort of purposes. The robotic arm is primarily the only one available right now. Now, the Extend also features a very unique, interesting approach that they're bringing in. My hope is that this becomes something available in the near future. It's basically a docking station or a charging station that allows it to actually bring in and allows the robot to get out of the water to charge and for us easy access to it. But it has a floating ramp that goes inside of the water and lifts up and brings it down to put it gently into the water. A very interesting concept, but I appreciate the fact that the technology is coming in to the point where it makes it easy for us to handle these type of robots. This is a much bigger robot than the single motor that they have, which is absolutely great, but this features so much technology in there that it helps having it be able to get up there, easy access to the cleaning bin, it gets charged, it's ready to go whenever you need it. You don't have to worry about plugging it in, the dock does everything for you. To try to close up some of the experiences that we're seeing here, this is the Lidex Ultra series. There's a few options, a few models available here. They have basically the two-wheel motor side, the all-wheel drive. As you're seeing it there, it has the ability of climbing up to an 80-degree incline and decline. So this is obviously going to be the all-terrain, features all-wheel drive on the motors that we have in there. We have dual spinning discs with up to 6 blades on each one on the higher-end models. Of course, large yard configurations. No need for RTKs, so no need for configurations there. Features LiDAR configuration on the back, some options featuring built-in GPS, 4G connectivity, as well as some options including multiple blades and single blade options. So it'll fit anybody's budget and, of course, all-weather environment situation. I love the new all-wheel drive. The omnidirectional wheels on the front allows it to move seamlessly and turn very nicely and very much get to the edges that we want to be able to get our grass mode. So very nice technologies coming in for smart home, indoors, outdoors, in the pool, anywhere you want. MOVA has you covered. So some of the experiences that we're showing here are obviously in concept mode. There's going to be more information in the description below. For links directly into the landing page, MOVA has a specific one made for CES with all of the technologies coming into the US market. What I probably will say overall is they're not going to disappoint. What they're giving us here is a few concepts of how to be able to cover multiple levels of your home with the same hardware that you already have. Their approach for their physical one that goes up the stairs is compatible with a lot of their vacuums. Their air lifter ones, I'm not sure if that's compatible with everything, but it's still in concept mode. I'm seeing a lot more promising technologies like that. As we saw with the pool, with the robotic arm, having your own personal butler is absolutely an epic thing, and I'm excited for those technologies. Higher suction power, more functional options, rollers, replaceable mop heads, base stations that are getting more green, the removal of the need for collection bags. There's a lot of good things coming in from MOVA. MOVA, and I want to say thank you very much for inviting me to check out their booth here at CES 2026. Make sure to check the links in the description below, like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.